Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have an interesting topic, i.e. predictive analytics. If you like the video, vote this up, and subscribe to our channel for similar videos. Predictive analytics is a form of advanced analytics that uses statistical techniques, machine learning algorithms, and data mining methods to analyze historical data and make predictions about future events or outcomes. It involves extracting patterns and insights from large datasets to identify trends, behaviors, and patterns that can be used to anticipate future events. One should have a strong foundation in statistics, programming, and machine learning concepts to learn predictive analytics. Many online courses, tutorials, and training programs can help individuals develop the necessary skills to become proficient in predictive analytics. The importance of predictive analytics lies in its ability to help organizations make informed decisions based on data-driven insights. By using predictive models, businesses can gain a competitive advantage by anticipating customer needs, identifying market trends, and mitigating risk. Predictive analytics is evolving rapidly in today's world due to advancements in machine learning algorithms, big data technologies, and cloud computing. This has led to the development of more sophisticated predictive models that can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, enabling businesses to make more accurate and timely decisions. Recent developments in predictive analytics include the use of artificial intelligence and deep learning techniques, which allow for more complex and accurate predictions. Additionally, the integration of predictive analytics with other emerging technologies such as IoT and blockchain is opening up new opportunities for businesses to leverage data and gain a competitive advantage. There are many careers available in predictive analytics, including data scientists, business analysts, data analysts, and machine learning engineers. These roles require a strong foundation in mathematics, statistics, and programming and experience with machine learning algorithms and big data technologies. In conclusion, predictive analytics is a powerful tool for businesses looking to gain a competitive advantage through data-driven insights. Organizations can make more informed decisions and anticipate future events by leveraging historical data and machine learning algorithms. With the rapid evolution of predictive analytics, many exciting opportunities are available for individuals with the necessary skills and expertise. So, that's it from today's video. Hope you like it. Please share your comments, and we'll meet you soon with another video. Until then, bye.